Hi everyone, it's Jama Malmy. Thanks for visiting today. I am going to walk you through how to make this cute little card with the bird on it. I used a sketch from the Atlantic Hearts Sketch Challenge, which was from a few weeks ago, but I'm just getting around to doing the voiceover now. So I'm using the Sweet Girl paper pack, and it is more of a girl theme, but you'll notice I'm using not so much girl colors here. I used some of the paper, that little strip there, from the cut apart sheet, and I used my regular circle die and the stitched circle die to cut out. The green is the fern cardstock and just some white daisy. And to add a little bit of interest to that background of the card, I used the Playful Scallops embossing folder from Close to My Heart. It is retired, but last I looked it was still available on the Going Soon section of my website. So I'm also playing with the June stamp of the month, and I'm playing with some of the word stamps. I thought I would add a few of the different words, but you'll see as I go along I change my mind and change it up as the process continues and as I decide which little animal to use and whatnot. So I'm making a birthday card for my niece and she loves animals. So I thought that this little compliments pack would be perfect because it's filled with lots of animals. And I decided to go with this little bird, which is a chipboard piece. It's like a thin chipboard kind of, but a real sturdy piece with some 3D impact. So now I'm going to do my stamping, and I decided just to stick with the happy birthday sentiment, and I'm stamping it in, I believe that was charcoal ink. I didn't want black. I used the charcoal as the base of the card and then charcoal stamping because I wanted it to not be too in your face. Normally I do like using archival black for some pop, but decided to go with a softer look. And I stamped that hard. I tried a few different colors of pink, ended up with, I believe, blush. But then I decided I don't like that heart there. So you'll see me cover it up with the stickers and chipboard pieces as I go along. So I'm going to adhere this together so that it stops moving around on me. And I am placing the bird where I want it so I can see where it will be. And I start playing with a few of the little stickers and chipboard pieces and just kind of move them around until I like the placement. The nice thing about using all one collection is that you know that everything is going to work together. I love mixing collections as well, but whatever manufacturer you use, whether it's this Close to My Heart product or another manufacturer, it's always nice to work within a collection or kit so that you know that everything's going to match, and it just makes it a little easier, a little less thinking that you have to do to make sure that you're matching all of the colors. And the other nice thing about working with one manufacturer in a project is even if you do mix kits a little bit, you know that most of the time the red is going to be the same red across all the manufacturers' kits and etc. So I added a little bit of 3D foam to the back of the flowers there so that they pop up a little bit. And once I place this bird down, I'm going to add a few other little embellishments or little pieces of strips of paper because I thought he was kind of floating. So I grabbed those little strips that were from the cut apart page that I first had, tried this sticker, which I kind of liked it, but it just wasn't quite working for me. So then I grabbed this zip strip, which is the 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch strip, like the branding strip from the paper, and I liked how that looked, the peach. And then I added, I fishtailed it, and then I also added that little strip of sticker, the sentiment from the sticker, and I think it says love you. I can't tell from my little screen right here. Yeah, love you. So, and then I added that other little blue heart to help draw the eye out because there's so much blue over on the left. I wanted to draw the eye out to the right to kind of balance that blue color across the card. Adding a few sparkles, I used the silver glitter gems and also the regular clear sparkles and some bitty sparkles. I love those little bitty sparkles. They sometimes add just the right touch that you need on a card or scrapbook layout when you just want a tiny little sparkle. And that is going to finish off the card. I didn't use the shimmer brush this time. I normally do, but decided not to. So I'm going to show you a little close-up and then leave you with some still shots to see some of the detail. The glitter gems add a lot of sparkle, and I really like how this turned out. So I'm excited to give it to my niece. Thanks for watching today, and if you enjoyed this, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you have a great day.